Dis ook van, hoe praat mense?
Ja, ek neem aan die
Hi everyone, welcome back to another adventure. So today we have a special guest, Jack Hartland.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to the Adventures of Jack Hartland. And today, I am not traveling here before, but it's really nice. It's a short walk, but it's going to be amazing. So, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Let's do it! There's actually a lot of preparation that goes into this before you can do it. Because I'm fortunate enough to have a couple of different ways of filming. This is what I call my parrot cam, which is actually my scuba diving camera. But it fits very well on my shoulder when I've got my backpack on. So yeah, everything to get the right shot.
Wear something. Hello.
Are you tired?
Only a couple of
It was nothing.
stairs.
It was nothing. I didn't even feel it.
But can you feel how the atmosphere changed? And how
And the temperature dropped.
you can't really say that it's cooler, it's cold.
It's cold. It's actually cold.
Yeah. Look, there it looks.
Jack Hartland in his natural habitat.
Yes. Now I'll tell you one thing. If you don't think that this is spectacularly beautiful, I don't know. I mean, because just around the corner we're gonna go to this gorgeous gorge. I think that's my theme. Gorgeous gorge. Because it is amazingly beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and it's high. And I'm out of breath because those are a lot of stairs.
Oh well. Ek het 'n dimpeltjie.
Hier is ek met my wit bene. Dis net om genoeg lig te gee vir die shoot.
Ons kort beligting. I would highly recommend Rust and Vrede Waterfall for any adventurous person. It's just so amazing. You have to walk, but it's not as far as I thought, so you don't really feel it, but it's amazing. It's beautiful. You're surrounded by a beautiful scenery. I mean, look at that. It's absolutely breathtaking.
Rolling and high. Action.
Okay, let's go see what the real waterfall looks like. Left in here.
Okay, this is baie informasie daar. Okay, so here we go. And action.
And some more stays. finally made it to the waterfall. It's such a beautiful scenery, like I'm literally speechless. It's stunning, it's so peaceful, so quiet. I wish you guys were here. The Adventures of Jack Hartland. Where did it start?
So in 2009, I did a trip around the world. And when I got to New Zealand, there was a stretch of beach which is called Cathedral Cove. Now in Narnia, you'll remember in the second Narnia movie, it's where they went from the train station onto the beach, out of a cave on a beach.
Yeah.
That's Cathedral Cove. So I traveled to a whole bunch of different famous spots. And when I got to Cathedral Cove, I just realized that I want to make a show where I can show people the places that I go to. But to do that for television, well, as long as I can remember, it's a very, very difficult thing. Until I realized, but I do a lot of YouTube videos, why not do a travel, adventure, crazy old man show on YouTube?
I've heard a rumor that you want to start sailing around the world. We created this challenge. So I made these boats. This is yours.
It's a little bit small.
We're gonna go sailing. Are you ready?
Of course I'm ready. I was born ready, lady. Myne volk jou natuurlijk, hè? Hartland, graaf jou.
Ja! Nee! Dat was het niet!
Hier! Wat is jou? Neem niet! Dat is.
Jij ziet!
Wat? Ja, dat is niet goed dat je denkt van. Giddy up, ding dong, giddy up, giddy up, ding dong, giddy up, giddy up, ding dong, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Oh, oh, I went riding the overnight. picked that I wasn't. So my would have said the name of the horse was Ding Dong.